setup of a 4730 sprayer. To get to our sprayer screen, hit the menu button, go to our 4730 sprayer icon, select this icon. From the main home page, which is the picture of the sprayer in the top right hand corner, we can select which rate we want across the top, see which sections of the sprayer are on, and see how much chemical we have in the tank and reset chemical. To change rates from the home screen, just touch one of the rates. You can change any of the three rates by pressing the box, selecting which rate you want, press the accept key and then the enter key to change the rate. You can also refill tank from this page, do a full refill. We can hit that button there and shows our tank volume full again. To set up the rest of the sprayer, come to our settings button with the arrow pointing toward the dot. Select that. We start with the first tab, spray setup. We can also again change our three rates from this page. Set our minimum spray pressure, which needs to be 15 to overcome the 12 psi check valve. Set our spray off pressure to 40. Again, set our tank volume for our refill. So this is a 4730 with an 800 gallon tank. We set that. Set our spray system min max to 3. Boom charge we'll set to auto to keep the boom charged as we turn on the ends. Foam marker we can set to manual, manual low, auto high, and auto low are off depending on whether we're using markers or GPS. For this we have GPS, we'll turn it to off. And make sure that our boom pressure relief is checked. The next section we'll go to will be our boom setup tab at the top. We select the boom setup tab. This gives us our number of boom sections. And to determine our number of boom sections on a 30 series sprayer, you can look at the right hand console and see that you have 7 sections across this sprayer. We can then select the setup spray sections and start assigning how many nozzles we have to each section. So starting with the left number 3 section, we can select that section, tell it how many nozzles we have at 9, what the nozzle spacing is, and then what the spray width is for each nozzle. And we can do this for all sections across the boom. And you can see the different number of nozzles across each section. So once that's completed, we can hit the enter button, and that is set. Boom return to height can be set either at on or off. And then you can set either your current height, type in a set point, or lower your boom and then enter a certain height. Vehicle setup, we can clear service hours and also set what speed selection we want. For speed selection on these sprayers, always go with radar. The next button down after we've gone through these 3 tabs is our Calibrate button. And the main thing we want to check on this page, just to make sure during setup is correct, is our flow meter calibration number has to match what our flow meter is on the sprayer, and that will be on a metal tag that's hanging from the harness in the cab of your sprayer. And you can see that this tag says 913.65, so we come back up to our box and enter a 913 into the box and press enter, and that's got our flow meter calibration entered. To get back out to your main sprayer page, you can come up and hit your sprayer icon in the top right hand corner, and that has you back out to your page, your main sprayer page, where you can see your rates, what sections are on and off. and your rate and PSI.